dark icons on your Samsung phone with One UI 6.1.1? Why not? This is now available to all users who have received the latest One UI update. And how do you do it? That's the goal of this quick video tutorial. Stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. So, let's begin. First, let's take a look at the old icon appearance. Now, long tap anywhere on the empty space of the home screen. Click on Wallpaper and Style in the bottom left corner. Select Color Palette. First, you need to enable this option by clicking on the toggle button. Then, if you're interested, you can explore other color options for the icons. Additional options, including the option for dark icons, can be found under Basic Colors. Swipe left to see more options. The color combination for dark icons is the first one, which is a gray and black color combination. Click on it. Be sure to select the option Apply Palette to App Icons because this is what enables the dark icons. Before you click Apply, remember that not all icons will turn dark. The system app icons will definitely adopt these colors, as will most other apps. However, some apps will keep their original icon colors. Let's see how these dark icons look. Dark mode enthusiasts will surely be pleased. And what do you think? Let us know in the comments below the video. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.